Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to assign leads to your salespersons on HubSpot. This is a crucial workflow for any sales team, as proper lead assignment ensures your salespeople can follow up quickly and no potential customers slip through the cracks. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard where all your sales and marketing tools are centralized. Now let's head over to your contacts. Look to the left navigation menu and hover your cursor over the option labeled CRM. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear showing you various options within your customer relationship management tools. From this expanded menu, click on Contacts. This section houses all your leads and customer information, making it the central hub for managing relationships. Once you're in the Contacts tab, you'll see a list of all your leads. Here's where you decide who needs to be assigned. You can select a single lead by clicking the checkbox next to their name, or if you need to assign multiple leads at once, simply check the boxes next to each lead you want to include. This bulk selection feature is incredibly handy when you're distributing leads across your sales team efficiently. After you've selected the lead or leads you want to assign, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the contact list. You'll notice an option labeled Assign. Click on it and a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. This is where you'll specify which salesperson should take ownership of these leads. In the pop-up menu, you'll see a drop-down labeled Contact Owner. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of your team members. Select the salesperson you want to assign these leads to from the list. This assigns clear ownership and ensures accountability within your sales pipeline. Once you've selected the appropriate contact owner, look for the Update button at the bottom of the pop-up menu and click it. This action finalizes the assignment and the selected leads will now appear in that salesperson's contact list, ready for follow-up and engagement. And there you have it, a straightforward process to distribute leads efficiently across your sales team in HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.